here's what we're going to do. We started with a little bit of bacon that we just sort of rendered down to get crisp. And we're going to take that out of a little bit of bacon fat that's left. Just kind of let it cool, that bacon fat. Then, I've got flour that I want to sift, some salt, sugar, and baking powder. So we're going to sift those dry ingredients. Then, now that we've aerated those dry ingredients, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take butter and start working the butter into our dough. That's where we're going with this, is going to form a little dough. So I'm just going to use this sort of little gadget here. You could use a fork, you could use your hand. And it should start looking like little coarse cereal when the butter is worked in enough to the dry ingredients. So now that I have that, a couple of other ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to use some cheddar cheese, and I'm going to use some milk here in a second. It's an important process, folks, making sure that that butter is what they call cut inside of the dry ingredients. All right, now, we'll add our cream or milk, some green onions, and our cheddar cheese, and we'll start forming this into a dough. All right, so now that I've got this dough forming, you don't want to overwork it. So just as it starts coming together, you see how I'm folding that over there? Okay, now I'm going to add our crispy bacon in there. All right, so I'm going to form this into a little dough. Then I'm going to divide it into two different pieces where I'm going to begin to start cutting some wedges. Little bench flour. It'll be a little moist. I divided it in two, and then I've kind of made these little circles. Then for these scones, what you want to do is you just kind of cut like a little wedge like this, you see? As big as you want them. Got the cheese and the bacon in there. Ooh. Then I'm going to show you a little trick. 400 degrees, folks. That's what the oven's on. They're going to take about 22 to 24 minutes. Little wedge, 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 wedge. The trick is this. Okay, that one will be mine. When you're ready to bake them, see? No proofing, no kneading. I take a little bit of a little whipping cream right on top like this. That other show will be stealing it. And then, folks, just before you're going to put them in the oven, after you cream it like this, then you hit it with a little bit of sugar. And it makes a nice color on top. 400 degrees. Oh, great. It's like a magic oven. Come with me to Emerald's Magic Oven. 22, 24 minutes. We're going to cook another batch of them, too. This is what they look like. See that? And then, folks, there's like none of that like marmalade stuff, or if you want to, hey, listen, if you want to do that, don't be shy. Emerald's not going to hurt you. So it's basically, you know, with this thing here, it's a wonderful little snack. Take a bite of that. Check it out. It's not too hot, just warm. The patience you ladies have. Mine would be gone already. devoured. Not bad, huh?
Delicious.
So there you have it, bacon cheese scone. All right?